Hi there everyone and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix Affinity Studio if it's keep crashing. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first let's understand this. Affinity Studio can crash for several reasons, from software bug to system bug. The good news is many of these can be fixed with simple steps. So step 1, update Affinity Studio. Always make sure you are using the latest version of Affinity Studio. Alright, check for updates. If an update is available, download it and install it. Old version often have bugs that are already fixed in newer version. So step 2, update your device. Make sure your computer or tablet software is up to date. On Windows, go to Settings and Window Update. On Mac, go to System Settings and Software Update. On iPad, go to Settings and General and Software Update. Outdated system software can cause crashes with graphics or apps like Affinity. Alright? So step 3, close background apps. If you have many apps open at the same time, your device may run out of memory. Before using Affinity Studio, close unnecessary program and restart the app. This frees up memory and reduces crashes. And then finally, step 4, check files and project. Sometimes a specific file can cause a crash. So try to open a different file or creating a new project. If only one file causes a crash, the file itself may be corrupted. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.